Hi, I'm Christian with Green Information Systems, and I'm going to show you today how Copilot is going to absolutely change the way you work. So here I use the Copilot prompt. It's an actual page that comes up, and I'm going to say, can you summarize today's emails from Lynn and Saif, and please detail any tasks? So Lynn today wants me to create three things: gather the information that was covered in the engineering teams meeting about the new electric bike, create 5 social media posts, and then create a PowerPoint presentation with the pitch deck highlighting all the new features of our new bike. Saif, our CFO, has requested help with the sales numbers. He needs to know the net sales and gross margins for each electric bike, and he wants me to create a graph for the executive team. I'm not very good with Excel, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Outlook, and I found this email from Saif, and here it is. He's given me some preliminary numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that data, and then I'm going to open Microsoft Excel. I'm going to create a new workbook. I want to put the net sales in here, so I highlight the data I'm looking to pull data from, and I launch Copilot. And in Copilot, I'm just going to use the voice dictation because it's so fast. In column E, please show me the net sales using columns B, C, and D. And I go ahead and run that Copilot prompt inside of Excel. And when it calculates that data, I just click on Insert Column. And here it puts it in column E. Calculate gross margins based on the data from tables B, C, D, and E. And I click Insert Column, and here we go, the gross margins. And if you click on any of these cells, it'll show you the formula, how it calculated those. So now I'm going to create a graph using these tables. And so I just highlight the tables again. Create a graph for products sold from greatest to least. And I can see that it's finishing up its graph here, so I can say add to a new sheet, and on sheet 2 here it is. And what's great about this is if I actually click the graph, I can now add different pivot chart fields, so I can put net sales. Lynn wants me to gather information that was covered in the engineers team meeting about the new electric bike. So let's go ahead and launch Microsoft Teams and find out what we missed in the engineering meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and hit View Recap for this meeting, launch my Copilot, and it's already given me a summary. These updates were provided by Steve, and it's got a little copy button in all the Copilot prompts. I'm just going to copy this, open up Microsoft Word, and I'm going to paste the summary transcript of what was released in that meeting. So this is literally listening to a recording that happened inside of Teams. So if I click play here,
7-speed Contoso warp drive.
It is literally a transcript of what the engineer said, and we just transcribed it, and I drop it into, and you can see here in Excel, it's formatted very nicely. The 5 social media posts. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Copilot, and I'm going to give it its task. Please create me 5 social media posts with emojis about the features about our new e-bike. And these are pretty good because it's using exactly what we want. Long-lasting battery life, go green with our e-bike, ride in comfort. So it has really good references of what we're trying to accomplish with these social media posts. All right, I'm going to open up PowerPoint and start a new Blink presentation. And I'm going to launch Copilot. And it's as easy as just feeding it any kind of data. So I'm going to create a presentation from a file. I'm going to give it the document I just modified right now that we just saved in Word, and we'll let it do its thing. And you can see it's generating the slides in real time, and it goes out and grabs all the pictures that it thinks it's relevant to the features discussed, and it creates all the pages for you. Okay, and here is our presentation. And this is all derived from a Teams meeting transcript. So I am done with my presentation for now. In 5 minutes, we were able to do all of those different tasks that we had in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. To find out how Copilot can help you and your company with your internal projects, reach out to us and we will set up a meeting to walk you through using Copilot for your business. Thank you.